Suzie's mother, the first Suzie's Dogs and Drafts opened in 2014 on North Phelps Street. It is considered a family-friendly gourmet hot dog shop where customers can order just about anything on their hot dog. Options include typical toppings such as ketchup, mustard, and crispy onion straws. But the menu also has some very strange options, like whipped marshmallow, house peanut butter, and crickets. Suzie's also offers a variety of alcohol on tap, some from local Ohio breweries, and even alcoholic milkshakes.
Okay, so the idea for Suzie's came from the owner really wanted a place where people could come to bring themselves back to their childhood, in a sense, with these crazy hot dogs and awesome milkshakes, and an atmosphere that is very family friendly. All sorts of different avenues. Facebook is huge for it. People messaging Suzie's, and then being able to build up a recognition as far as being a music venue that people say, hey, we should probably try Suzie's to see if we can get a gig there. You can get a burger or spaghetti and pasta anywhere. Really. There's probably 10 restaurants within a 2-mile radius that get that at, but a gourmet hot dog with the kind of options that we have is very hard to find.
I describe Suzie's as a place where adults can be kids. I mean, you can put SpaghettiO and mac and cheese on a hot dog, have an alcoholic milkshake. It's just where adults can be big kids, basically. There's so many. There was one with honey, crickets, and peanut butter, and I didn't get it, but they loved it.
The atmosphere, the fact that I really pride myself on the staff being laid back to be able to approach people, customers, as their friends, treat them as they would anybody they've known for years.
My favorite thing about Suzie's has to be that you can meet almost anybody here, from college students to lawyers to the bank tellers to just the random people from out of town. You can find almost anyone here.
I really enjoy the atmosphere Suzie's has to offer, as well as their food and drinks, and their employees are great to be around.
It's just a really friendly atmosphere, especially with the very friendly staff. They have an arcade. It's a really fun place to be.
I love Suzie's because they cater to all of their customers. Myself and a lot of my friends are vegetarian and vegan, and we're all able to come here and eat and share memories.